Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to remove unwanted parts of a picture or adjust the framing, Canva lets you crop images quickly and easily without any advanced editing skills. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to crop an image in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, open Canva, log into your account. Okay, open an existing design. Okay, for example, let's choose any design that we had before, for example, like this one. So to upload a new image, go to uploads here, tap it. After that, click upload files. So wait for it, upload file. You tap there here in this option. So after that, you select your image, drag it onto the canvas, or click an image already in your design. The image must be selected before cropping. Okay, so with the image selected, click crop in the toolbar. Okay, you will see crop handles around the image. So drag the corner handles inward, adjust the visible portion of the image, reposition the image. Okay, so reposition the image inside the crop area if needed. Focus on the main subject of the photo. Okay, so that's it, guys. Then click done, and thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.